winter freeze began to thaw, so the gear was gathered and stowed. Paddles clenched with tentative hands were still anxious to row. And we were as embarrassed as we were happy, as we were scared how the river would rise, how the weather fared. And everything was so new, everything so unprepared. My compass was broken and my map was soiled and tattered. The canoe had been down this river before, but I could still feel your nervous heart pound as the rapids ripped the shore. So you can veer to steady ground, but don't be surprised if there's no safe out at all and you're left stranded riverside.